In today's hyper-connected world, cyber attacks like DDoS are a major threat to businesses of all sizes. A DDoS attack overwhelms your system with fake traffic, making your website or service unavailable, which leads to lost revenue, customer trust, and downtime. But we have the solution. DDoS attacks are growing rapidly with a 55% increase in 2023 alone. Some of these attacks sends over 200 million requests per second, crippling websites and services. Every minute of downtime can cost businesses thousands of dollars. Traditional DDoS detection systems often fail to catch these attacks in time or generate too many false positives, causing unnecessary disruptions and delays in response. What is needed is a fast, accurate, and scalable solution that can respond in real time to these ever evolving threats. Our DDoS detection and mitigation system tackles this issue head on. It starts by continuously monitoring real time traffic on the network, capturing every packet and building profiles for each connection. Using advanced algorithms, we detect anomalies like sudden traffic spikes, flood from geolocations, or unexpected surges in requests to specific endpoints. Once an attack is identified, the system responds immediately. Suspicious IPs are automatically blocked, dynamic rate limiting is applied, and the system can even integrate with cloud based DDoS protection services to scale resources on demand. No manual intervention is required. Our system takes action instantly to ensure your network stays protected and operational. Our web based dashboard offers live, real time visualization of traffic patterns, network status, and attack detection. You can track ongoing threats, review suspicious activities, and get detailed insights all in one place. The dashboard is updated every few seconds so you stay informed with the latest data, making it easier to manage threats while focusing on your business. In short, our solution offers real time protection, automated protection, and smart scaling to keep your system safe from the growing threat of DDoS attacks. Stay ahead of threats with precision defense and ensure your business remains uninterrupted.